Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in today's video I'll show you how to fix the issue of not receiving a cloud verification code. So first of all, let's open Claude.ai and let's sign in. So if you're not getting the verification code, here are a few simple things that you can try. First of all, let's let's enter my email. So the first thing is to make sure that you have entered a correct email or phone number. I am going with email, so make sure that you do not have any errors in your mail. The next thing is to check your email. Thing is to check your mail. If you do not see anything in your inbox, then you might need to check the spam folder or the bin folder in case you deleted it. If you are using a phone number, make sure that your network signal is stable and able to receive messages. You can also wait for a few seconds and tap on recent code if the prior code has not been found by you. If the issue still continues, try using a different email or phone number. And finally, check if your internet connection is working properly or not and reload the page. And these are the ways to fix this problem. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tutorials.